As I close this hearing, I have a few words about where we're at and what's next. First of all, I'm extremely proud of my colleagues on this committee. Each of them ignored the outside noise and pressure and stood up for our process. They were committed to getting to the truth. We still haven't heard from Robert Robertson because of outside interference. The OAG's filing in Polk County to stop him from testifying was filled with what lawyers call misstatements of law and fact, or what normal people call lies. I don't want to belabor the point, but very briefly, their motion said I contacted them as the committee's attorney when they knew I'd emailed them stating I was acting as a state representative. They said I never responded to their requests. I did, in writing. They said we never held hearings that we held or took votes that are public record. As I've said, I kept receipts, and I'll share those with anyone who asks. Their motion cited laws that no competent lawyer could honestly believe apply here. It also strung together different lines across 4 pages of the Supreme Court's ruling to claim it said something that it did not. But what the OAG was doing was made very clear by the fact that they had the nerve to ask for a hearing today, the day before the committee dissolves. They wanted to run out the clock. Well, I am here to tell you, in no uncertain terms, they have failed. This committee's and this House's involvement in making sure justice is done for Robert Robertson and that our 11.073 writ law works is far from over. The pursuit of justice isn't biennial. It's a 365, 24/7 project for Texas leaders of conscience. And we're not done here. There will soon be a new committee, and there's already a new Court of Criminal Appeals. Both are going to be interested in hearing what Robert has to say. And it must be incredible if so many people are working so hard to keep you from hearing it. On behalf of the members of this committee who've worked tirelessly on this issue, we'll see you in the 89th session. That concludes today's agenda. If there is no other business to consider, and if there is no objection, the Committee on Criminal Jurisprudence will stand adjourned, subject to the call of the chair. There being no objection, the committee stands adjourned at 3:07 p.m., subject to the call of the chair.